to Dipansh video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a phone tracker using Python. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to do is create a new file called number of phone, and then create a variable called number. Inside that, you need to put the country number, which is going to be plus the number. So plus the number of the country, it can be 65, 88, 99. It can be any of these numbers. So if you don't know, you can check them for the service number of your country and then put it over here with plus. And then after that, with the space, you need to put in your phone number. So number is equal to the plus your country service number, and then after that your phone number. So we can now just kick out this because I already have my number in this number of phone.py file. So we can straightly start on the coding. First thing you need to do is pip install phone numbers. Okay, so after I type it, okay, so it's installed. Now I can start coding. Okay, first we need to import phone number. So import then we need to import from phone numbers, import geocoder. Then again from phone numbers, import carrier. Then from number of phone, import number. These are everything that you need to import. Now we can start coding. So the first thing we'll need is which country is your phone inside. That is basically where the phone is. Because if for police, it's going to be very useful because most crimes in the internet happen from outer countries, not the countries which they are in. So first thing we can do is ch underscore num will be equal to phone numbers dot parse number, and after that ch basically stands for country history. Then print geocoder dot description for number ch num, and beside that we can put the language English. So if we click the run button, as you can see, the number is in Singapore right now. So basically it's with me. The number is with me. Okay, so after we find out the country, the next thing that we can do is find its service number or the service provider. So it's not going to be the plus number, it's going to be the application you use. Like for in India we use Airtel and Jio, in Singapore we use StarHub and more. So these are basically the service providers that you use for data. They basically help you with data. Okay, so what I'm going to do is create a new variable called serve underscore provider. So service provider will be equal to service prov would be basically equal to phone numbers dot parse again number. Then after that RO capital. Then lastly, we can print carrier dot name for number, service number, service prop, and then language of English. After we type that, as you can see, we got Singapore as a country, and then we also get StarHub for the service provider. So I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe. Till next time, Dipansh video time is out. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.